I was getting ready to put on the next level of my garden bed and I realized I didn't stagger the bricks. They say when you stagger the bricks, it makes it a little bit stronger when you stack them like that. With this way, you can see they're kind of spacing out a little bit here like that, so it may cause some problems. So I decided I better change it. So I'm going to go ahead and stagger these bricks here. Yeah, I think we'll stagger them there like that, and then that should give it a little more support. And this is the time to do it before we get anything else on top of here. So we'll go ahead and just go around here and stagger these bricks, and I'll fix my mistake. Oh yeah, that's going to look a lot better. All right, here we go. There's the last brick. That wasn't so bad. So going around and staggering these bricks and changing this layer before I went on to the next one, that wasn't so bad, and now things are done right. So yeah, it's just as easy to do things right as it is to do things wrong.